Hello dear children, so in our last class we have read chapter number 6, Charlie's Daily Dose of Sunshine, right? Do you have any pet at your home? No? Okay, fine, very good. Okay, so I don't have any pet here in Morbi, but I like birds so much. I don't like dogs and all. What is the reason? I don't know, or you can say I'm scared of dogs and all, but I love birds. I like different kinds of birds, colorful birds, parrot, pigeon, sparrow. These are very common birds, and I used to see them. I used to look at them, how they are flying, how they are chirping, all this, and I love that sounds. And I think you have different kinds of pet at your home. In my grandfather's home, right, there was a pet rat, chuha. It was of white color, hybrid chuha or something, beautiful color. So nice. So people fond of keeping pets, different kinds of animals. It's okay for them. Some keep cows, buffaloes, hen. Choice is there. Okay, so I will explain the chapter. You will understand. Okay, and please try to focus on what I am explaining and how. Okay, can you please? So this is the explanation that I am going to explaining in front of you. Okay. Can you please take him, ma'am? Asked the man in the park. So the narrator, who is narrating the story, the lady or the writer, she had gone to the park, and that time one man, he was in the park, and he said that to take him referred to bird. Okay, so to take the bird with her. And why she need to take? He said that you always take in orphaned animals. And the narrator or the writer of the chapter, she always take orphan. Orphan means lawaris. Okay, जिनका कोई ना हो. So that kinds of animals को वो अपने घर ले जाती थी. Right? So that man asked to the lady or the writer to take the bird to her home, because she always take the orphan to her homes. I looked at the baby raven. I refer to the narrator. The narrator looked at the baby raven. Raven means a large black color crow. Okay. In local language it is known as Ravan. I don't know what you call in Gujarat, but in my place we used to call Ravan. See, when I was very small, that time my mother used to tell us like this: don't go outside, Ravan le jayega, like that. It was a big. Nowadays we are not finding this kind of bird, so, but that time, oh my God, we had a scared of Ravan. It is so big, like crow color, black color. It look like crow only, but it is so big in size. Okay. So it was tiny and shivering, but this bird, it was very tiny and shivering because it was small. Maybe newborn baby, that's why it is small. It was tiny means small, and shivering means kaap raha tha. Okay, because I think the bird didn't have his parents or mother nearby him. That's why, or maybe he was in any danger, and that is the reason he was shivering. In some way, my home had become a shelter for unwanted animals. So the narrator, she used to take all the orphaned animal to her home, and anyhow her home become a shelter. Shelter mean जहाँ पे एक रहने की जगह हो, एक safe place हो. Safe place बन गया किनका? Unwanted animals का. She had so many animals at her home, और वो एनिमल का घर बन गया. What? Narrator's home. Tame or wild, and some are tame, some animals are tamed means paltu, and some are wild. Even wild animals are there in her home. As I looked at the raven, as the narrator looked at the raven, the small, the tiny, shivering raven, I realized, that means the narrator realized that I was perhaps his only chance to survival, and she thought that with kindnessly that she was the only hope for the raven. Okay, if she would take the raven to her home, he can survive, because nobody will take the raven and it will die. Okay, so she thought that she is perhaps means wahi hi hai, pry. Okay, so I brought the raven home and called him Charlie, and so the narrator brought the raven. She brought to her home and called him Charlie, means she gave him name. Which name? What the name? Charlie. So who is Charlie? Charlie is the raven. Okay, he grew to be a very lovable pet. Okay, so slowly the bird grew. Okay, and it becomes very lovable pet. That means everybody started loving the bird. So cute, so nice for everyone. So everybody started loving the bird. The children of the neighborhood loved him, and nearby children, those live nearby the narrators, the neighborhood children, they loved him so much. They used to play with him. They used to call him Charlie. Like this, they spent with him. They spent time with Charlie and they started loving him. They were delighted. Delighted means happy. They were happy too the way he swallowed worms. And the children of neighborhood, they used to see the raven when he swallowed. Swallowed means निगलना और खाना. निगलना. What? Worms. जैसे कि कीड़े मकोड़े जैसे खाता था वो बर्ड, तो उनको देखना बहुत पसंद करते थे वो the neighborhood children. They often dug worms to feed him, and they loved when the bird used to swallow the worm, and that is the reason they dug for him worm. They dug worm for him. तो कीड़े मकोड़े को वो खोड़ करके या ढूंढ कर उसको देते थे. To whom? To Charlie. Sorry, my Hindi is so bad. If you feel bad, ignore it and let me explain in English only. Okay, don't judge me for Hindi language children. I feel bad, but if you don't understand that, what else I can do, right? So Charlie loved eating worms. So who loved eating worms? Charlie, the raven, the bird. It loved to eat worms. Worms means कीड़े मकोड़े. I had a dog, Zeke. So the narrator had a dog. And what is the name of the dog? Its name is Zeke. He loved animals and helped me look after quite a few abandoned kittens and ducklings. And Zeke, the dog, it helped the narrator to look after other animal. Abandoned means homeless and no longer wanted. जो बाहर ऐसे बेसहारा पड़े रहते थे, उनको वो घर लेकर आते थे और वो डॉग भी उसका उन लोगों का देखभाल करता था. किन किन का? किटेन्स एंड डकलिंग्स का भी. ओके, नाउ ही लुक्ड आफ्टर चार्ली. नाउ ही इज लुकिंग आफ्टर और लुक्ड आफ्टर चार्ली. हु? ही, डॉग. After I had given Charlie a bath, that means after narrator given Charlie a bath, Zeke would allow the bird to snuggle. Zeke allowed the bird to take close to him and give warm. That is known as snuggle. Generally, ravens do not like to be given baths, but our Charlie would sit still with his eyes closed. See, generally Ravan, they don't like to take bath like cats, right? But this Ravan, that means Charlie, he loved to take bath, okay, and sit in water, still with his eyes closed. Afterwards, he would sleep between the dog's paws. After taking bath, he would sleep. See, in this picture you can see he's sitting and he is giving love, affection to the bird and giving warmth. Jake and Charlie were very good friends, and slowly Jake and Charlie become very close friends or very good friends. Okay, so who gives snuggle? Jake gives snuggle to the bird Ravan. So what is the special quality of Ravan? Here, generally other Ravan, they don't take bath, but Charlie love to take bath, still with his eyes closed. जब तो उसकी आंखें बंद नहीं हो जाता तब तक वो नहाता. After that, the dog and Charlie become very good friend. Okay, for today this much. Now you do complete your worksheet, scene passage 1. Okay, in your book, in your worksheet, complete scene passage 1 and write down all the correct answer. If you have any doubt, I'll clear your doubt when I will explain the worksheet part. Okay, I will explain next 3 or 4 stanza in our next class. Okay, till then read it again and again and understand it.